In today's session, we will see introduction to wireframe and surface design. Okay, so wireframe and surface design in CATIA is crucial module for creating complex surface and shapes. It is widely used in automotive and aerospace. So, create any surface, we need wireframe. Wireframe means a set of points and lines, curves, splines. Okay, so we need them to create a surfaces. Okay, so this module is widely used in automotive, aerospace, goods industries to design products with intricate surfaces and aesthetics design. Okay, so for in that first in the wireframe toolbar, the first one is point. So we can create a points. There are different types of point using coordinates on a curve, point on a plane, point on a surface. So we will see this one by one. To access the wireframe and surface design workbench, go to start menu, mechanical design, wireframe and surface design. This is the workbench of wireframe and surface design. This is the toolbar. First one is the point. So we click on the point. So we can create a point using coordinates. Okay. If you now preview this type of points, we can create just like the one we saw in the part design. So these are the points. We can create a point on a curve, on a plane, on a surface, a circle, sphere, ellipse, center, tangent on curve, and in between. Okay, in between two points or two references. Okay, so the next one is line. We can create a line. Okay, so we can create a line using point to point. So we can create a line using first point and second point. So I will create a point here. Okay, I will create a point here. Okay, so 0 dash 0 dash 0, I will create a point. Okay, so this is how you can create a line. So there are types of lines. First one is point to point, then point direction, angle, normal to curve, tangent to curve, normal to surface, and bisecting. Okay, so this is how you can create a line. Next one is you can create a planes, reference planes. First one is the offset plane. You can create offset to this plane. Okay, next one, there are types. First one is parallel through points, angle and normal to plane. Through 3 points, you can create a plane. Through two lines, you can create a plane passing through two lines. Then through point and love, normal to point and line, normal to curve, tangent to surface, equation, and mean through points. Okay, so this is how you can create a planes. So these are the how to create a references geometry in the wireframe. So the next one is projection. So we will see the projection to command. Okay, so this is how you can create a line, then creating a plane. Okay, so this is how you can create a plane and create a line. So we can we now see projection to a support. Okay, so I will delete this sketch. Okay, I will delete this. I will delete this point. Okay, so now I will create a surface here. Okay, so I have created a plane surface here, and this is the sketch. So I want to project this profile on this surface. So I will go to the projection. I will select the profile, then select the support. This is the support. Click on OK, and I can project this. Okay, so you can see this. So now we will see the intersection. So I will delete this sketch. Okay, I will create another intersection. Okay, so these are two surfaces. I want to create an intersection. Intersection, go to intersection command, select the first surface, then second surface. You can see here, and you can create a intersection between these two surfaces. Okay, see this. Here is the first intersection and the second intersection. You can see this from here too. Okay, so these are the intersection. See this intersection between these two surfaces. Next, we will see connect curve. So for this I will delete this whole. Okay, so I will create a spline here. Exit the sketcher. Okay, go to sketcher and I will create another spline. Exit the sketcher. So I want to connect these two spline. Okay, so I will go to the connect curve. Okay, I will select the first point, then select the second point. You see this curve has been connected. Okay, so this is how you can connect the curve. Okay, so spline curve, we will see the spline curve. For this I will create a sketch here. I will create a set of points. Exit the sketcher. I will go to the spline. Okay, select all the points. Okay, so I will select the points. Okay, so I will select the points first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, one by one separately I will select this. Click on OK and spline will be created. So this is how you can create a spline. Now we will see how to create an helix. So go to the helix command. Okay, so we will need a starting point. So create this as a starting point. Axis, so I will create an axis. On the z axis I will select. Okay, so you can see this z axis. If we increase the height something like 2000, I will select 200 here. Okay, I will select 200. Okay, I will increase the pitch for easy to understand. Okay, so this is how you can create a helix here. Okay, you can give a taper also. See this, you can also give the taper. So this is the taper angle. This is how you can create an helix wireframe, helix in wireframe design. So this is it for today. Thank you.